The toddler turkey table just might be the place to be this Thanksgiving. These minis will get the turkey party started, and it gives the toddlers free reign over their own table. Our friend Alex Daynes has a few edible ideas that I think you'll be thankful for. Good to see you, sister.
Thank you.
Elaborate on this idea.
Yeah, so I have a toddler at home.
Yes, you do.
And I was thinking about her and just prepping for Thanksgiving, thinking of how I could make it fun. And I started seeing like these little ideas of like these little pumpkins or these little turkeys, and I just thought, what if this could be an entire concept where whether you make them yourselves or you get all the like ingredients and set it out for just specifically for the kids this Thanksgiving, because I don't know, maybe your kids are foodies, but they don't really care about the turkey, and they probably want a roll or two, but that's about all they're gonna eat. So this is kind of like a separate idea where they can just get creative and have fun.
I sort of did a little flinch when you referred to Daylen as a toddler.
Yeah, me too.
Because I want to ask where baby Daylen is gonna sit this year.
And we do call her Baby Day, but it's crazy, and they're busy and they're into everything, and she kind of inspired this because she wants to be involved in everything.
Yes.
So I was like, you know what, let's do something that you can destroy. And I won't even care.
I won't be mad about it. Okay, what's our first idea? Our little, is that a pumpkin pie?
These are little pumpkin pies, but they're made out of cheese and crackers.
Come on.
And they're so cute. So I just grabbed, it's actually cheaper to buy a block of cheddar cheese. So super cost effective. I actually took my little triangle Triscuit and used it as like my cookie cutter. And got my knife and used that as my guide. Now these guys are pretty thick over here, so if you have, I don't know how many toddlers you have in your family, but if you have lots of toddlers, feel free to go ahead and half it.
Thin it out.
And thin it out, or even, you know, fourths, and then you don't feel like you're using so much cheese. Then I grabbed our good friend, spray cheese.
Double down.
You can use, you know, cream cheese. You could put that in a little baggie. But
something to just glue it or stick it.
Yes, this is going to be our adhesive here. So so it stays all together.
Our edible cheesy adhesive.
Yes, this is what's going to bring it all in. So a little Triscuit on the bottom, a little cheese. There's our little pumpkin pie. And then these are chicken and a biscuit.
Oh, yeah.
And this is going to act as our crust on the back.
I forget about chicken and a biscuit. Those are good.
So good.
Why are they so flavorful?
I don't know.
I can immediately taste
I don't know
it in
what's
my
in
mouth,
it, right?
I haven't eaten one in a decade.
Well, you will have to try one. But look how cute and simple that is.
Darling.
So you could make it for your kids, or you could just have this out, and this could be
whipped cream.
A little craft for them. But isn't that not so cute?
Cheese and a cracker in cutest
and
form.
crackers.
Okay, what are we making next?
Okay, so these are our little pilgrim hats.
Okay.
And so I just grabbed the little fudge strip cookies here.
Yeah.
And then you just flip them upside down. I also grabbed mini Reese's.
Okay.
And we're gonna unwrap this guy.
So far, we're off to a great start.
Right?
Yeah.
And then a little scoop of peanut butter goes right in the center. This is, again, our adhesive, our edible adhesive.
Your binding agent.
There's that for you.
Yep.
And then we're gonna press that guy down. And then Reese's Pieces we're gonna use in a couple of these little recipes. I wanted to use things that, you know, you could reuse. So if you were gonna do it over again, you could. So a Reese's Pieces right there as the buckle on the
cute,
front.
Alex, that's cute.
And it makes a cute little pilgrim hat.
Darling.
So fun and so easy. Like, I really do feel like a lot of toddlers, you may have to sit there with them.
Supervise.
But they could totally have fun with it.
And they're gonna make whatever they eat, so that's the fun in it as well.
Exactly.
Okay, are these the turkeys?
This is the turkey.
Okay.
And I'm sorry, it's not, you know, the meat. You're not seeing meat here.
There's no protein.
There's no protein on this table, but we do have some peanut butter.
Yeah.
But no, I thought these were so cute and a fun way to pull in candy corn and of course our favorite edible eyeballs. So it's just melted down some chocolate here. We're gonna put this on the rim and also a little dot in the center.
Okay.
And these are just regular Reese's. And then to that, we just grab our little candy corn guys, and these are gonna be our feather. And you can do as many or as little as you want. I found that 5 is kind of the sweet spot for these snack size guys.
Magic number.
Magic number, exactly. But you kind of line those up.
Oh, that's cute.
Around the rim.
And then some googly eyes.
And then we gotta get the eyes. I know, I did grab these at Walmart because I know they do sell out, but we're kind of in the sweet spot again where they like restocked after Halloween. So
get them while you can.
Yes.
That's funny.
So yeah, we'd give it a little dot in the center, our googly eyes, and then again, we're gonna reach for that Reese's Pieces. And that's gonna be our nose. And that's kind of like the real like turkey element of this.
We are repurposing.
We're repurposing, and like look how it brings that guy to life.
So
like,
cute.
Gives it a little gobble gobble.
Little beak. Total gobble gobble.
Total gobble gobble.
Okay, what's next?
Okay, these are acorns. So I just grabbed
cute.
Nutter Butters, and I like the texture on them, but I needed them to be the right shape, so I actually just broke them in half.
Okay.
And then I took the halves, and again, we're gonna use the same melted chocolate.
Oh, smart. Yeah, you just need the arc on the top.
Yeah, and so I'm gonna cover that up by dipping it, and then I'm gonna place that on some parchment paper. You can make them pretty with a little hit of sprinkles.
Oh, the kids would love this, yeah.
See, like very, very doable,
Yes.
right? Like nothing is super difficult, but also you may have to supervise.
Of course.
Or you can let them go. And then these are just pretzel sticks. Same thing, just dip them in the chocolate, stick them to the top. These guys will have to set just until that chocolate sets.
Cute.
But then they're so cute, and they're just little acorns.
We'll finish with something to balance out all those Reese's.
Yes, I did. I actually thought we'll start and end with the cheese and crackers and the fruit just to round out our meal.
Yeah.
But these are so cute. I actually did these at a baby shower. We had a little pumpkin theme, and these were a hit. So just peel the cutie for your guests, and then I just grabbed some celery, cut it into a little piece for a stem.
Did anyone eat the celery?
I think everyone did. I think, I'm not gonna lie, it was,
All right.
unless they slid it on their plate.
Okay.
But so cute,
Alex.
and again, so easy. Like,
so fun.
just a little touch. And when it's all together, especially with this cute, like, tablecloth and everything, like, this could be colored on, this can be hands-on.
Love it.
It's just a fun way to celebrate Thanksgiving with your littles.
Dayland approved. I'm sure
Dayland
you
approved.
Yes, I'm sure you tested them out. Thank you so much, Alex.
You're
Where can we get
welcome.
more fun food ideas from you?
Yeah, I share everything on my website, alexdaynes.com, and then the Alex Daynes across social media.
You had some soups this week that I saved.
I did. So good.
She'll be your girl, your go-to girl for all things delicious and food. Thank you again. Happy
Thank you.
holidays.